So we saw what are wavefronts. Now the first person, or you can say the pioneer in proving that light is a wave, was Christian Huygen. He was a Dutch physicist. So what he did was he assumed few things, and based on the assumption he proved all the properties of light. Okay, so what he assumed was, the first one is, each point on the given or primary wavefront acts as a source of secondary wavelets, sending out disturbances in all the directions in a similar manner as the original source of light. Meaning, so if you have a source of light that sends out disturbances, correct? So this is the primary wavefront. So the primary wavefront acts as a source of secondary wavelets, meaning the primary wavefronts acts as a source for the next wavefront. Okay, those are secondary wavelets, and that sends out disturbances in all the directions similar to that of the original. So if the original was a spherical wavefront source, then all the primary wavefront will send out in the same way, that is a spherical one. If it was cylindrical, then it will send out cylindrical. Okay, this is the first assumption. The second one is, the new position of the wavefront at any instant, called secondary wavefront, is the envelope of secondary wavelets at that particular instant. So what this particular statement tells is, you have the secondary wavefront, correct? At any instant of time, it forms like an envelope. So as you can see here, see, it forms an envelope of secondary wavelets. All right, and those secondary wavelets will be the source for the coming wavefronts. All right, so these are the two assumptions what he did. Okay, so if c is the speed of light, then the distance traveled will be c into delta t. Okay, so as you can see, c into delta t is the radius of the circle, correct? So here every wavefront acts as a source of the coming wavefront, and whenever you have secondary wavefront, that forms an envelope of secondary wavelets. So these are the two assumptions made by Huygen. So based on this assumption, next thing what you will be doing is, you will be doing reflection and refraction of light. Okay.